Hello, my name is Eric Johnson, and I am a student worker at the Hagerman Center. My primary role is project coordinator, and I work hand in hand with the director, Mark Simon. The Hagerman Center's primary goal is to promote, incite, and bring awareness of entrepreneurship and innovation to the University of Michigan students and potential students. And those potential students can range from high school students taking college classes or transfer students. Our flagship is the Zillion Solutions competition. This competition is a competition that is built off of ideas that can solve problems in regards to products, tangible buildings, consumer products, innovative ideas for business models, and so on and so forth. We have a 5-slide requirement or a 2-minute selfie video for the submission. This submission will be judged by the Hagerman Center staff until it is at its final stage, in which case we have a panel of independent judges for the award. The awards range from first place being $2,000, second place being $1,000, third place being $500, and the fan favorite is $500. Overall, you have an opportunity of winning over $2,800. This is the first slide on the template that is linked to Zillion Solutions website. This is just a brief overview of how to download the slide to your computer so you can make edits and then submit as a PowerPoint to our submission tab, which is also located on the website. The initial submission is easy. You use the PowerPoint or use it as a guide for a quick 2-minute video. The first slide consists of your name, the major and school, your class standing, and more information about yourself. Also, if you are submitting as a group, you would also list them here. Not everybody in the group needs to be a student at the University of Michigan Flint, but at least one has to be. The second slide is what the issue is. Make sure that you're clear, concise, and add any points about what the issue is that is important and why it needs to be changed. Make sure that you either clear out the text that's already present or leave enough room for your text so your idea is as clear and concise as it can be. Make sure you do research on any possible existing solutions. We do permit existing solutions as long as your idea has some significant improvement that makes it easier or more tangible for your solution to exist. In the next slide, you're going to state your solution. This is very important that you state it clearly. We want to be able to visualize what your idea is in our head without knowing anything about what you're talking about, specifically the topic. If you want to include pictures, that's fine. However, your explanation needs to be clear and concise as possible. The last slide is your goals. What motivated you to think of this idea? What do you want to do with this idea? And where do you want to go from here? Do you want to produce change, build a company, become rich, or just feel that satisfaction that you accomplished something that helps somebody else in the long run? This is where you would put that. Once you're done, you will go to http://go.umflint.edu/Zillion's entry. And that's where you will submit this slide or your 2-minute selfie, as well as fill out a brief questionnaire. In that questionnaire, it is important that you put your UMID number, your UMich email address, and your place of residence. This is all for distribution and for any awards that gets distributed to you. The second part has a question about whether or not your email is to be shared with other outside vendors. Now, that is to include, but not limited to, 100K Ideas, which is a locally Flint nonprofit organization that helps entrepreneurs with their ideas. It's completely voluntary, and all they do is send you an email asking if you're interested and give you some additional information to pursue either with this idea or other ideas that you may have in the future. With that being said, I wish you all the best of luck and look forward to seeing your submissions. Thank you.